Hello and welcome back to Making Home Better. As with most garages where a lot of work is being done, eventually you will accumulate lots and lots of offcuts and just lumber in general. That's plywood, sheet goods, etc. We are now at a point where we need to do something about it. We're also going to be redoing our garage floor, so it's important that we get everything off the ground. I will be building a lumber cart. I've looked at various inspirations and kind of made some modifications to them to come up with a design which I don't want to say is unique, but it satisfies our needs. My intention is that this would be completely built out of the scrap pieces that's in the garage already. As usual, I started out by watching some YouTube videos, followed by making a sketch on SketchUp. This helped me plan things out, and let's get started. The base will be just over 5 feet wide. We'll use 4 casters made out of 2x4s. So that we can add some heavy duty casters on the bottom, we'll attach a small scrap 2x4 so that there's enough surface area. As part of redoing the garage, this whole structure is going to come down. So I'll just take the MDF boards off of the shelf here and use that as the base for the cart. The side where the plywood is going to go on is going to be a 9-degree angle on both sides. Set the miter saw to 9-degree angles. While I fully understand the importance of wearing a mask and breathing protection when woodworking, I don't always do it because of the hassle of wearing it. As I was working on the lumber cart project, a company called Basecamp reached out to me and sent me out a free sample of their mask. I have not done considerable research on the quality of the product, but I can certainly tell you it's very easy to wear and fairly comfortable, which means that there's a higher chance that I would wear it in my future project. I appreciate Basecamp for sending this out. I will leave a link to this in the description as well. Oh.
Why?